Biasa yo. Nana de? Kan isbati kom. Bisag asar mo. Tikas. Dra kana mana.
Dra maglapad og robot ba? Lapad og robot.
Eh.
Hawa ko di yan na. Ito ba mo sa tag. Kaong kaya na?
Kalat ko na.
Stop. It's
Balot.
you eat. Oh. You eat this one, Valar?
No, I eat it before, but I didn't like it so much.
You don't like it so. It's a balut. This is a balut. And we go to the south to the suka.
South. To the sabaw. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
New boil.
My God. Kaya sente. Kita sa mga panggapay pagkalay dire ra gora.
Di lang masiling.
Ano na kay we go
Little salt.
take out the chicken. Oh.
Why you walk away?
The chick.
Yeah, I see the chicken.
No, it's not a chicken. Ah, it's duck. I think it's duck.
It's duck?
Yeah.
It's a baby
Oh.
duck. Baby fetus.
Baby duck.
Partumbo.
The brain is so delicious.
Why don't you eat everything?
No, it's the I love it is the yellow fentona.
But you eat everything?
Yeah, you eat that.
You eat everything?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Oh.
Madenggi, wala gila ang piso. Akong gilapay di kay kumukaw piso. Hala. Nag-unsa man ka dire na nga daygo lang.
Ay kaguri. Why suong?
Delicious?
Small bone.
But still delicious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now dengue.
Ano sa kanang balot lang yun?
Best ever?
Yeah. Di siya mo kaon kay Johan ra hinon mi pagkaon.
What's the sauce?
It's tuba na tuba guys. Tuba. Sa from coconut. From
Vinegar.
coconut.
Aha. Coconut wine.
Yeah.
Tuba. With chili. Tuba with chili.
Have you ever tried this one, Pablos?
What's that?
Quick.
What?
Quick. Inside is it in egg. Inside that.
I don't know.
Chicken egg then a slice.
Almost finished?
Yeah, not yet. Dali. Baan na sa kong baan ba? Baan na sa kong iyan. Nasa dito sa ilang sa Montorobio. It's hard.
Oh.
Hard to eat.
Dig it out?
And go to take out.